a result of several days of stubborn fighting, the Turkish-Libyan coalition managed to oust the enemy from several strongholds, which the rebels settled on form a Libyan army and police facility. All of them were located on the line between the airport and the center of the capital of Libya, Tripoli. The international airport itself was seized on the second day after the start of the rebel offensive in Tripoli on April 6, 2019 and HAS has been held by ITS armed groups. In order to begin the operation to clean up the airport today, the coalition knocked out the enemy from Kibali Camp, Camp Ermu, Camp Hamza, transport and artillery base. The rebel departing from the stronghold retreated to the area of the airport, which is now undergoing artillery and airstrike, and the infantry of government gradually seized the airport, pushing the enemy from the north and west, leaving him the opportunity to go south. According to the spokesman for the Libyan army, Mohamed Kounouni, fierce fighting is going right now in Kasr bin Gashir, where the airport is located and aviation HAS already destroyed 2 tanks and several enemy vehicles. In general, what HAS happened many times is repeated. The infantry antes after the aircraft and artillery. In general, the operation Volcano of Forat is slowly developing in the southern direction from the capital. But in this whole picture there is a note important element that certainly affect the course of hostility. According to Anadolu Agency, the Libyan army spokesman said that during the retreat, the enemy stopped collecting the body of IDEA. Previously, it measured to evacuate corpse, but now this practice has been discontinued. Of yesterday, 48 dead body of the enemy were discovered. This is also due to the fact that in the ranks of the rebel were forced to sit in close position, an epidemic of coronavirus broke out. So, the representative of the headquarters of the government force, General Abdullah Didira, who managed operations in the Sir and Al-Jufra direction, reported that according to intelligence, 250 of the Russian private military company Wagner have already died from coronavirus, and at least 2 more are in serious condition. Thus conclusions were made because 2 bodies of mercenaries from Wagner were transported by people in search of biological protection. These are not all victims of the coronavirus. Several more soldiers from other groups of mercenaries and the situation there become critical. In general, the KNO is being there more and more, and all this should result in something large, and possibly decisive. But for now, there are fixed for the international airport.